Welcome to mySecondTeacher. We are an AWS EdStart member and our platform is award-winning. We hope you will enjoy using MST as much as we love building it. In this video, we teach you how to provide data to us so that we can get everyone in your school on board MST in the shortest possible time. So, let's get started. All great things have humble beginnings. And this is the humble Excel file that we ask you to complete in order to onboard your school onto MST. There are three main categories of worksheets in this file. First is the basic school information worksheet. Second are the students' information worksheets. And third is the teacher information worksheet. Let's look at them in details now. The basic school information worksheet will provide us with the details required to personalize MST with your school's name, logo, and motto. Everyone from your school with access to MST, such as teachers, students, and parents, will see this customized page. Please provide us with the following information: your school's name and address, the city and country of your school, the names of the principals of your school, and their email addresses. The principals of your school will be given access to MST's School Leaders dashboard. This gives principals the ability to change the name, logo, and motto of your school, make announcements, and send surveys to everyone in a school and obtain information on classes, students, and teachers. For more information on MST's School Leaders dashboard, do check out our School Leaders video. If you wish, you may optionally provide us with information on the department heads in your school. These department heads will have access to all classes in your school for the subject in which they are the heads of. For example, a department head for English will have teacher access to all English classes in your school. Last on this worksheet is your school logo. Do provide us with a high-quality picture. Remember that everyone in your school will see this logo, so pick the most appropriate one. Now, let's move on to the students' information worksheets. These worksheets are arranged based on grade levels and can seem confusing. However, these worksheets should be easy to complete since they are usually from existing class structures. We asked for the following information from you: student's name and email address or student ID. The student's email address or student ID must be unique because the information provided here will be used by the student to log into MST. The student's parent name and email address. Provide us with this information if you want to give parents access to MST. Parents have a special MST dashboard that will allow them to get announcements and surveys from principals and teachers, and parents even get to see their child's assignments, submissions, and feedback from teachers. For more information on MST's Parents Dashboard, do check out our Parents video. Now, we ask you to provide us with information on the class names that the students are in. The subjects are listed at the top row, and if you wish, you may edit these subject names. Note that every student with the same class name will be put in the same class. Hence, be sure to include the grade level, the name of the class, the name of the subject, and any special characteristic for that particular class. For example, a class name of P, 5, G, Science, Expert will mean that this is a science subject class that groups those who are science experts from Primary 5, Class G. While this format might seem confusing, it will give you complete flexibility in how you can organize classes in your school. For instance, within the same homeroom or form class, different students can be arranged in different classes. Finally, you complete the teacher's information worksheet. In this worksheet, you simply inform us the name of the teacher. We like to include titles like Miss or Mr. in the teacher's name, so as to be consistent with what students call teachers in school. The email address of the teacher. This will be used as the login ID for the teacher. Also, if students in this teacher's class forgot their passwords and are unable to use our Forgot Password feature, the teacher will need to use this email address to send us an email to inform us to reset that student's password. The classes that the teacher is teaching. It is important to list down all the classes that this teacher is teaching and to write it based on the exact same names used in the student's information worksheets. This way, upon login, everyone will be assigned into the right classes. After checking to make sure that all information is correct, send the completed Excel file to onboard@mst.sg. You will get an email from us confirming that we have received your file, and we will communicate with you via email should we require clarifications. Now, sit back and relax. We will email you the account information for everyone in your school within 3 working days. For account protection purposes, we encourage you to distribute the credentials individually to everyone in your school. Of particular importance are the credentials of the principals. So, be sure to inform everyone to change their passwords as soon as possible. Congratulations and welcome to the future of learning.